Hey guys, welcome back. I've got Dave in the shop here. He's going to come on camera in a second here. Dave ran into a snag a while back trying to fix the MS261. I hope you guys saw that video. Today he's just going to tell us briefly the differences between the first generation cylinders on the Stihl MS261 and the second generation, just so you guys don't run into the same snag. And why don't you just give us a briefing on that, Dave? Just let us know the snags you ran into.
Yeah, so thank you very much, first of all, for the piston and cylinder that you gave me to try and use. So the one that you had was an older model 261C. It's still the M-tronic carburetor. Yeah. It's still a fantastic saw, but they made an update, and I believe 2017, something like that, and they actually switched the design of the cylinders. The piston remains the same. It's still a 44 millimeter piston. It might be 44.7. I can't recall exactly. Yeah. Either way, 44 in front of it.
And you know what, Dave? Like I haven't seen that many come in the shop where I had to
They're new
cylinders.
Ish. Yeah.
And like until you brought this up, I thought that they were all the same.
Yeah. So the difference between them, maybe we'll do a close-up and I'll explain it. So this is what they call, the new version is what they call a slant fin. Okay. And as you can see, it's because the fins are slanted. It's pretty intuitive. Exactly. The reason why they call it that. So this is the older cylinder. Now, some people say that you can adapt this one to work on the 261C. You just need to trim some of the fins. So I might try that.
Yep.
I might try that because I've got nothing to lose. But the new version has these slanted fins.
And there's a few, it seems like there's less fins that are more spaced out on the newer cylinder.
Yeah, I see that as well. Now, and it's a height thing. So the reason you have to trim is because the plastic cover gets on top.
That. Yeah.
So they're very similar, Don. Here, that background's not very great. Here, use that. Is that better?
And you can see the fins protrude way further at the front here. So this is exhaust, and this is intake, guys. Yeah. But yeah, I can see how you'd have to trim some there.
Old version, new version. Slant fin, regular version.
Okay. Now, if you do have to trim a few fins, Dave, I don't think it will affect the heat dissipation that much. Okay. Okay. If you would have to take off too much of the fins, it could affect the heat dissipation.
Right. Yeah, so there's some smart Stihl engineer who put these together, right? So I'm no one to question that for sure.
So what I'll recommend if you cut off some of the fins, Dave, is always leave the chainsaw in the summer mode.
Okay. Understood. More air.
Exactly. We'll touch on that in another video, but good luck with that.
Yeah.
And we just wanted to show you guys watching today that if you do have one of the first generations of MS261s, and you're looking for a cylinder, just keep in mind that there's two styles of cylinders for the 261s out there right now.
And these are very hard to find right now. In fact, the internet doesn't have any of the new cylinders. You have to go to the dealer and you might end up paying an arm and a leg.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, Dave, I really appreciate you bringing that to our attention. It's going to save a lot of people some headaches out there.
Hopefully.
All right.
Yeah.
So thanks again for watching, guys, and make sure you're subscribed to both our channels. All the links are below the video, and make sure to tune in next time to see what we're talking about. Have a great day.
See you guys.